everybody. I just figured I'd invite you over for some supper with me. This is quite often you see me in the restaurants, and you see me sitting in the restaurants and eating the food and stuff like that. But what you don't know is I also love cooking outside. That's one of the reasons I love Texas. I absolutely love Texas because this is October, and when everywhere else is being ugly, I'm sitting here and I'm in a beautiful park area, beautiful green grass, green trees, everything else. I got my little portable table out that I bring with me when I travel, and I got my Oster frying pan here, which I use, and I picked myself up some pork chops, and I'm going to have myself some pork chops and some hash browns. I'll show you in a minute. Let me get these pork chops ready. So I take these pork chops, and hopefully you can see okay. I'll bring you for a tour in a minute. And I'm going to take these pork chops. I got 3 of them. Nice healthy diet of pork chops. I got some Laundry's seasoning salt that I'll get on these pork chops. Give it that extra little taste. Do you know what I'm talking about? And then what I'll do is, I think the pan is good and hot. So I'll take and I'll move the potatoes that I have up here a bit. Move them up in the frying pan. Get it nice and hot. Maybe I'll give it a second so it's just sizzling. I like when I drop the pork chops in that they just sizzle. Red Shirt Friday today, folks. Red Shirt Friday, and I'm wearing my red shirt, and I'm just having a blast. I just love Texas. You probably wonder why Dave MacKenzie is a trucker in the PFM truck so much. Well, let me tell you, when I can have great food and great places and have a supper. I had a picnic lunch. I had some of that brisket, barbecue brisket. Oh, it was delicious. That was left over from Cooper's on rye bread. And then and I took out my table and a chair, and I sat outside with a Mexican Coca-Cola and enjoyed it. And now I'm going to do my pork chops. And some people are saying, well, you aren't getting much trucking done when you're doing that. And you know what? I don't care. My health and my well-being is number one. And eating properly and eating good food and enjoying life, that's the secret to things, is enjoying life 100%. So I just threw those in there. I'll give you a view in a second. I'm just going to put some seasoning salt on the top of them too. My Laundry seasoning salt, I love it. I have salt and pepper too, but the seasoning salt really capture the seasoning of the pork chops in there as I fry them. Okay, let's give you a fast tour, and maybe I'll take a look at some of the hellos or questions or things like that. I will be live at 9 tonight. If I ever get anywhere, I'm just having too much fun. Hey, you know where there's snow and ice and everything, and I'm in green grass and beauty here? Okay, so let me show you, folks. Let me grab the camera here. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Hey, Fred says, hi, Lawrence. You must be Mr. Okay, and Fred, you need some real steak. Yes, I need a steak. Shauna Gray just finished her barbecue wings. Yummy. Maggie Teresa MacKenzie, good evening, Dave. And Carl, no Texas Roadhouse? No, not tonight. Tonight I'm picnicking. Tomorrow when I'm back in the stuff. So here's the frying pan. I've got it connected into the truck, as you can see there, for power, the beautiful PFM truck. And this is a lift the lid. And look at this. Look at that. There we go. Nice big hash browns. Look at lots fried in butter. I fry everything in butter. Real butter. I love butter. And then what I do is smother it in ketchup because I love ketchup. And cooked right here in the great outdoors. Hey, sorry if I made you dizzy while I'm doing that. So I've got this here. And of course it's my oyster. And this is a folding table. You can see the legs on it. I just fold it out and I got plenty of room. Marcel, Slick is in front of me, both headed to Loblaws. Okay, tell him he's missing a real nice pork chop dinner today. And again, I'm going to show you folks, look at this. Look at this green grass. Green grass, the sunset over there. I think sunset's around 7 o'clock. If I wanted to, and I have with the kids, see the barbecues over there? I have gone with the kids and let a barbecue have it. You can smell up Pittsburgh almost. Darn, that looks good. The butter makes it better. Oh, you betcha, Tom. Isn't that great? Isn't that awesome? Oh, I love you, PFM. You're pretty freaking marvelous. Here, I'll give a plug for Wounded Warriors because today's Red Shirt Friday. Maggie MacKenzie says, looks yummy and the weather is great there. Yes, it is, Maggie. And let me go back over here again. And there we are, folks. I just figured I'd come out and I'd show you what I'm doing. And I'll flip these pork chops over here a second because they're ready to flip over. Oh, they're looking great. They're looking awesome. I'll flip this one over. Fried in butter. Fried in butter, folks. Real butter. And the nice big thick potatoes. And I just love it. I just love it. I should give you guys one more shot of this. Now that I flipped the pork chops over and show you what I'm doing. I just love it. Hopefully you can see me okay here at my little table. Carl Freeman says, nice weather. Nice shout out to the vets. Thanks, Tom. Red Shirt Friday. Without veterans, we wouldn't have freedom. I'm staying here in Georgia for the night. It's nice out to think of going north. I agree, Shauna. I'm almost thinking of parking. Look at this, folks. Look at that. Sizzling in butter. Nice fries. 3 pork chops. I'll top it off with a Mexican Coca-Cola. There we go. And Peggy Lydia Zukowski says, "You're a good cook, Dave. Enjoy your meal." Thank you, Lydia. Thank you, Peggy. I called you by your middle name. Sorry about that, Peggy. So can you guys hear me okay? I hope you guys can hear me okay. So, yeah, and look at the blue sky. Look at the blue sky that's there. Beautiful blue sky and beautiful green grass. It's just a beautiful area to stop and have, you know, some supper. And I'm really going to enjoy it. And I'm going to eat outside here. There's picnic tables here. I'm going to take it, put on a plate, and eat outside and enjoy the weather out here. It's just beautiful. Then pack up down the road so I can do a 9 o'clock live with you guys tonight. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching this cookout. And thank you for being part of this great family, Canadian Trucking Magazine, on your page, Canadian Trucking Magazine. Take care, I do care, and keep on trucking. I'm going to keep cooking here, get my Coca-Cola ready, get my plate ready, because this will be ready in about 5-10 minutes. Take care, everybody. Be safe. See you later.